let's cut our green pepper. We're going to start with those. Now, unlike our salsa that we made previous, if you watch that, it's a lot different. And so a lot different in that we're not going to be cubing it. We're going to be making them into strips, okay? So I just cut around the middle, and I do that so we can avoid all of the seeds and stuff, because the seeds really are a pain in the patoot, and you don't want to have to clean those up, and they're just kind of annoying. You should have your trash can nearby. So after you get rid of the middle, kind of clunk that down there on the cutting board like that, and then go for it. Just start making your strips. Personally, if you have a few seeds, they don't bug me, and so I may have a seed or two in my fajita. You don't want a lot, obviously. As you get them on the cutting board, just clear them off. Okay? And keep cutting those strips. Depending upon how much you think your friends and family like green peppers, you may want to cut some more. I have some more in the fridge, but I'm only going to cut up one just because I do it more for taste. I find that a lot of the people that eat my fajitas don't always go for the green pepper themselves, but it sure does help with the taste of the actual fajita. So you want your green peppers to look like that.